Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we're going to be looking at a Jaguar XJ6 wood set. Now what I'm going to show you is if your set needs restoring, it's possibly going to look how this looks. So first of all, I'll show you the door cappings, which are like this. Now originally this veneer would be brown. It's gone like this over the years. It's on a piece of solid mahogany, and basically it gets veneered over the years. What happens is the veneer, you can see the veneer underneath is gone that colour over the years, so it does turn lighter. This milkiness, that's where the lacquer's actually lifting from the veneer. So obviously as soon as you start seeing that, it means that it's either got to be re-lacquered or re-veneered. In this case these are being re-veneered because the customer would like it back to the original colour. And yes, you can strip the lacquer off. If the veneer is okay, then you can restain it, but 9 out of 10 times the veneer goes, I can say, it starts leaving and it goes a bit bubbly underneath. So the minute you would lacquer it and sand it, you would just rub straight through it and it's not going to be secure. So to be on the safe side, this is getting totally re-veneered, so it's going to look beautiful once again. And like I said, it'll be more of a like a chocolatey colour brown veneer. That's the colour that it normally goes. So you've got the two door cappings, and I've showed you how the lacquer is coming off. I mean, if you watch that, it probably won't. Oh, there we go. It's just cracking off because it's not doing its job anymore. It's just peeling off. So there's the two door cappings. Then you've got a piece of the dash there. You can see that how it curves round, and the lacquer's already fell off on its own on this part. So this would all get sanded back down because all the veneer from left to right has to match. So all the pattern would have to match on that. This piece was a little bit more destroyed, so to speak, because the customer's chances are he's tried to prise it out of his car, and with it being really flimsy, you can see the back of that, how thin these pieces of wood are. It's pulled it apart, but he sent them pieces back to us. We've managed to glue them all back so it keeps it original, because that's what we try to do. We try to keep everything as original as we can at GDK Veneering. So this piece has been rebuilt. It will get all sanded, it will get re-veneered, so that's going to put even more strength back to it. And then you've got the glove box door, and the glove box door, it's all intact, but you can see again that the different colours that you see there is because the lacquer is lifting off, and all of it's going to be done anyway. These two pieces would sit either side of where the radio panel is, and these are made from metal, steel. So basically the veneer doesn't like to stick to the steel unless you've got the correct glue. Now it's done its job for all them years, and it's like everything else, it's going to give up sometime or other. Now with these we use a special glue. We have to clean all these up, get the rust off them, score all the metal so there's actually grooves in the metal so that the veneer can actually bond to these pieces. So we will do this, like I said, left to right, all follow on. So that's the Jaguar XJS. If your car looks like that, then it's probably in need of it being restored. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.